U.S. Travel Association says passengers avoid from 2 to 3 air trips per year because of the uncomfortable screening processes at airports. The association counted this cost $85 million and 900,000 jobs to the U.S. economy.
Flying has become such a torture. I mean, that's one of the reasons we don't do really any recreational flying anymore.
Headed by former Secretary of Homeland Security Tom Ridge, a panel of travel and security experts recommends creating a voluntarily trusted traveler program. For the cost of bypassing security checkpoints quicker, passengers would need to agree on an extensive security background check, give away their tax return and other financial information.
This would allow them to keep their shoes on, keep their belts on, keep their jackets on, keep their laptops in their cases, and go through in a speedier manner.
But passengers say the Trusted Traveler program seems to be too invasive and does not make them feel safer.
I don't think it's the airport security's job to have all of that information.
It doesn't sound all that safe. I could give you a fake social and a fake fingerprint and be a terrorist.
Other means of reducing traveling burden for passengers would fall on the shoulders of airlines. The report says airlines should be ordered to allow passengers to check at least one baggage for free. According to the report, that would allow to avoid lines at security checkpoints. The Airport Transport Association of America issued a statement saying that if the government would implement such regulations, customers would be the ones to lose.
Dictating how airlines deliver and price their products and services diminishes customer choice and competitive differentiation among carriers.
But the passengers who now have to pay from $20 to $100 for a checked-in baggage depending on an airline couldn't wish for a better solution.
To pay another $25 on top of our fare, I just don't believe that is really fair to people.
The government would not need Congress to approve regulations for airlines to allow one baggage for free. But it is doubtful if TSA could implement the Trusted Traveler program without the congressional blessing. From Ronald Reagan National Airport, I'm Viktorija Rinkeviciute.